Hello, this is Haruo Shimada, chairperson of Tokyo Metropolitan University. Today I would like to talk about one of the three branches of Tokyo Metropolitan University group, which is called College of Tokyo Metropolitan College of Industrial Technology. Rather long name, but this college has a following program. That is, this college recruits young students of age of about 15, just finished a junior high school in Japanese education system, and teach them industrial technology consecutively for 5 years. And after finishing the 5-year program, some students may wish to study a little further for advanced studies, and even some less people would like to go to even graduate school. A 5-year education program for the age range of about 15 or 16 to about 20. This is very, very important period for young people because their sensitivity is high, trainability is very high, and so that they train people during 5 years within the same school. And after graduating from 5-year program, some of them go up to higher education. Those students who study in this school for 5 years are about 1,500 students, 5-year grades. And for those who go up to further, additional 2 more years, currently about 60 students. And a few of them may wish to go to even a graduate school. So this is the basic structure of this school. And graduates of this school, finishing 5-year or 7-year education, they're very much looked after by industrial companies, because they are the people who have mastered the very practical skills which is useful at the workshop. So that these are the most important requirements to become industrial engineers at the workshop. So there, for one student, several companies rush to recruit them, a very hot demand. Now, this school was built 2006 by combining 2 colleges. One is located in Arakawa area, which has a long, actually, preceding history of several decades, starting from 1930s. And this school was specialized in training people for maintaining airplanes. But during the war, this whole thing was abolished, and a few decades after the World War II, this school got resumed. If you visit this school in Arakawa campus, you'll be surprised to see that there are great assets there, which is airplanes, helicopters, or air fighters, engines, and that sort of thing, kept in a kind of a museum of this high school. This is the only one school in Japan having that kind of thing. And this tells us a little bit of the history of this, preceding history of this school. And Shinagawa, there is another campus which is teaching basically industrial technology. Now let me talk about what kind of courses are both Shinagawa and Arakawa campus for 5-year program. For Shinagawa, the basic course is called Mechanical Systems Engineering course, and 3 component courses are there. One is Production Systems Engineering, another is Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and still another is Electronics and Information Engineering. And in Arakawa campus, which used to be aerospace engineering school. The general name of the course is Information and Telecommunication course, but within that, robotics course, aerospace engineering course, medical and welfare engineering course. And for those people who would like to go up to still 2 more years for advanced courses, they study either one of the 4 courses. One is mechanical engineering course, and another is electrical and electronics engineering course, and computer science course, and aeronautical and astronautical engineering course. Now, this school had started 3 years ago the very challenging program of specialized advanced on-the-job and also scientific education and training. 2 programs. One is a focus program on computer security. Another is a focus program of aviation. And focus program on computer security means something like this. We used the word recently, cyber sciences, cyber protection. Some people use cyber technology as a cyber attacks and things like that. And basically this focus program is to train young people to be effective and efficient to handle cyber science and cyber technology, mainly to protect the security, protect the safety of the company or the country or the system itself. And another one is aviation. Aviation is a very big industry, and Japan is a country where I would say at least 1 million times airplanes land and depart. And airplane is composed of 250,000 components, so that anytime it has some risk of having some trouble. And to assure the safe flight, airplanes has to be maintained all the time before and after landing and before departure. And this needs a huge amount of labor input, particularly high-level labor input. And Japan actually, unfortunately, cannot provide all the necessary human service in this. So that this school is very, very much looked after. This program is very small size. Actually, the teaching is extremely intensive, so that currently we can allow only 8 students to study there. I think we need to not double, but 100 times, 1,000 times larger than this to serve for the needs of the country. But anyway, this is what we are. So I hope you, if you have time and interest, visit Arakawa campus or Shinagawa campus. You will find nice young people working very hard for the future.